Alright, I'm in Bohol, which is 2 hours off Cebu. I rented this motorcycle, drove an hour, pretty much in the middle of nowhere. The thing I wanted to see today is Chocolate Hills. So it's like those formations, there's like thousands of them around this island. But I think you pretty much have to go off the beaten path like I am right now. So let's see. So I got a ferry this morning, which wasn't too expensive. It was around £20 or something, and even rode business class, which had probably like water seats. Not too much water, but it was good. So I got into the harbor, the ferry terminal, paid a terminal fee of 25 pesos, then boarded the bus, and that was pretty much it. I just sat down for a couple of hours, and that's it. Then I ran a motorcycle, rode up to here, and that's it. Pretty much an easy day, nothing crazy, except for sitting on my ass a bunch. That's it. Let's see where I need to go here. Okay, this is where we are. It's really muddy. Where'd I go? I guess I got to go on it. No, it's not working. Basically wearing my shoes. I guess I have to turn around here. I don't know what I stepped into, probably some weird thing. Alright. I think I've watched some YouTube videos and people going up here. So let's see. Go up here. It's slippery. Alright. And I keep my head down, not looking around too much. I don't see weird animals. But yeah. Oh, we're really in the middle of it now. Oof. Right. Small ferns in here. Oof. There's no tourists around. Literally haven't seen anyone here. Not even locals. So the top one piece. Oof. And we go up again. And up again. I didn't do my cardio today, but I am now. For sure. Almost there. Ooh, I'm sweating. Sure it is. Oh wow. See, like, that's another hill. On that hill right there, I see like a lot of tourists on a sort of gate. They're like not a gate but a fence. So it's probably like a viewpoint they need to pay for. Right there. I've come to one of those free ones. There's like literally no one. So yeah. It's really satisfying. And it didn't take long, like 8 minutes total, so. But yeah, looks really good. Alright. That is probably the most exciting thing to do here on this island. So I'll take probably like a few shots and then the next thing is the Tarsier Sanctuary. So yeah, trying to figure out where my motorbike is. It should be somewhere. Oh yeah, it's right there, I see it. So that's my motorbike, basically where I came from. There's like a bunch of kids right there saying hi. Yeah. So yeah, they're right there. Hello. They can hear me, but yeah. All right. That is it. So see you in the next video.